They have become complete thugs. They have become, I don't know what to use, what words to use. As you can see, these are fresh nomination forms, which we've just gotten from the EC office here. They are not even completed because Councillor Nalukoola completed his process long ago. And this morning, the person who had those documents, who is our chairperson for mobilization, Selvie Charles, was abducted by gunmen moving in a drone and taken away. Up to now, we don't know where he's being held. So you can imagine, all his original documents have been taken. So we've spoken to the EC here. They've told us the requirements, and we've decided to come here and camp here and get all the required documents from here and see if the thugs will even come and abduct us or this candidate from here. So that is the situation. But we condemn this in the strongest terms possible, because how can they do this on such a day when they know that he was supposed to be nominated at 11, but either because they are too scared of him or whatever. You remember what they did in Bukedea and other places. This is the same thing they are doing.
Ndoza mulaba bye tuzenga tubagamba ku basajja bano abasibira mu bbwa batitizi nnyo batya n'ebisikirize byabwe. Labayo bwe bajja okuwamba omuntu wange gwe nalonze abeerenga yankiikirira ne bwe mba nga siriwo ng'alina buli ekyo ekirina okukozesebwa mu nomination ne bamubuzaawo mu ngeri eyo ey'amancoolo. Ebikolwa bino bibi nnyo. Bebikolwa ebiraga nti gavumenti eriko tekkiriza demokrasiya kubukala. Demokrasiya bamulinnyiridde batandise omufootola ddala tutuuke n'okuba nga tetukyalina wakutandikira oluvannyuma lw'okugenda kwabwe. Ebikolwa ebyo tebisanyusa. Buli muntu ayagala eddembe ne demokrasiya mu nsi muno asaanye bivumirira, naffe tubivumirira. What has been done this morning
by the EC there. Yes. It's okay. Let's see what to do. But this is a situation. This is not. We have come
to report a matter. How can we report when we are outside the premises? Kindly allow us to reach the official.
But he has been there. Yeah, but this is a candidate.
It has to be official.
I'm only assisting him, but he's a candidate.
And you know, it's a matter in regard to elections. At every moment in the election process, you have to report to the Electoral Commission before declaration of results. You know, it's like a river. It's a process. Now I have a predicament to report to the Electoral Commission. Kindly allow us.
Since it is you not in your official time, we can still pass go and consult.
You consult.
Kindly consult.
Because it will not take your time.